All right, WMC, I want to say thanks to you guys for the fills on the two Bernie Stitchin' pitches. So what we're going to do here is I took out Matt and Alan were the two that won the Bernie, so I took out all of their entries. So everybody else that's left is eligible for this drawing, which is a 16 by 20 signed by Christian Yelich. So that leaves us 95 spots out of the 100 that were non-winners. So we're just going to check the time here, March 7th at 1:39 p.m. We're going to go over to the freebie and type live. And we've got March 7th at 1:39 p.m. Like I said, these are the 95 non-winning spots between the two Bernie Stitches. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 8 or higher with 3 dice, and that is 10. All right, guys, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brett. Spot 20 is your winner. So, Brett, please message me to collect your Yelich 16 by 20. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, March 7th, 1:40 p.m. That's it, guys, and thanks again.